I'm in a teaching profession from last 10 years. Then I have chosen this abacus. Abacus is a very simple instrument where I can impact the child and significantly it improves. And today I can take this challenge that I can give 7 times improvement in the child. That's why I have a plan that I will keep my academy name as 7 Trends Abacus. How come this confidence? When I started taking the abacus course from IVA, the trainers who are there, master trainers, they used to build the confidence, mold us in that way. We need to be very. That is true that we love teaching concept and we love kids. We have that passion to teach the kids, but still we need that what we say, the molding, the guidance that is there from IVA from all the time, from the day one. Okay, and I would like to say IVA is an excellent institution for abacus and Vedic maths. It's a treasure of innovation, education, and knowledge. It is a best place for everyone. As a female, as a mother, I can say this is a correct place where we can build our business with pride and with generating revenues. And generating revenue is not only for the short term, it is sustainable and it is for the long term basis. And IVA management is there always to help us to generate the revenue, how to build our business. And you all can just imagine, just in a month, not completed also, just in a month, I have my own leads of 15 students, which I'm going to start up by this November 20th. And I would like to say that I want to be a part of this, and I'll keep this in my mind that this education, I will what to say, like this, what opportunity I have got, I will make this in my mind to keep this education relevant entire my life. And at the last but not the least, I'm very glad to be a part of this IVA, where challenging and equally rewarding opportunity, creating intelligence in the future citizens of India. Again, I say, I will take the challenge of giving 7 times improvement in the child. And I'm actually enjoying this experience of business opportunity with IVA. And at the last, I would like to say, IVA is a one-step solution for the champions in both abacus and as well as Vedic maths. Thank you so much, ma'am.